what is the one message that you would convey to people listening in on Data Privacy Day?
One message would certainly be create a culture of privacy, embrace it, and take a holistic view. Because sometimes people take a view, GDPR is this, CCPA is this, then the AI Act is this. That will not help you. Take a holistic view. And as you do that, as you embrace it, and as you create a culture of privacy, it is an opportunity, the Privacy Day. Emphasize and amplify the message of privacy helps us create trust across your staff and across your management, telling them what do you expect from them. Yes, privacy is to be protected every day and it is everyone's responsibility, but it is also very abstract for people. So make it simple and tell them what do you have to do and what do we want to achieve together. And this can be a great opportunity saying today is the Data Privacy Day. We want to protect privacy. We want to create trust. This is what we want to do. We do the training on privacy, read the policy. These are the kind of simple actions and start a debate. Don't limit yourself to the Data Privacy Day. Maybe you should have a Data Privacy Month. Of course, whole year is Data Privacy Year, but Data Privacy Month or week would be a very good idea.
That's an interesting observation. I would add that I think if a company comes and tells me that they're moving from a technology to another or from RDBMS to NoSQL databases or to cloud or whatever, I may not necessarily care too much as a consumer. But when you think of data privacy, it's something that impacts everyone. Like I care if a company has good privacy practice or not. If you are a company that violates those privacy related considerations, particularly from the benefit of an end customer, you've lost my trust. You've lost my business. I will try to seek out other brands, partners, suppliers, people that I can do business with where my privacy is not compromised. And that is what makes privacy so real to me, that its impact on my life as an individual is way more pronounced than a ton of other things that an organization does that is inherently back office to them. So what technologies you use, sometimes what kind of other business operational things you do. I may not care as a consumer of your product services, but I definitely care about how deeply you think about privacy, how much care you put into protecting my information, making sure that there is a fair use of it and things like that. So I think the Data Privacy Day message to everyone involved is that this is not business as usual. This is not something we do at work and then come home and shut up about. I think it's a consideration that should be on our minds 24/7, particularly as more and more technologies come in, which can be highly invasive, right? The just harvesting data online, applying AI on it. There's so much happening in this space where I think privacy needs to be at the front line of protecting us from the assault that these technologies can do with unfair use.
I think I can agree with that. The simple way somebody put it for me was when you treat data, when you manage data, we talk about privacy, data protection, security, and all that. But who is behind the data? It is real people like you and me and everyone else. And that, when we talk about people, we say handle with care and be careful. That's the same thing with data and privacy. You got to be careful with the data you manage and protect privacy of individuals because you're not managing data, you're managing privacy. And that's why I say start to think about the people behind the data, starting this Data Privacy Day, and have a wonderful, happy, and safe Data Privacy Day.
Likewise, sir. Thank you so much for your time, Puneet. As always, great conversation. And I hope everyone watching it will share their comments and also take into mind some of the seasoned advice you shared today.
Thank you so much.